In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all contacts and accounts from Hubspot CRM in just 5 minutes. Now, if you're in the position where you need to cleanse your CRM of all existing contacts and accounts, whether you're starting fresh or just need a clean slate, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step of the process so you know exactly what to do. Let's kick things off by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and type in HubSpot's URL. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. It'll prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you have those handy, as you'll need to log in to move forward with the deletion process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your main dashboard interface where you manage everything related to your CRM tools. From here, you'll want to navigate towards the CRM section. To do this, look for the CRM tab, which should be readily visible in the menu options. Click on it to access the CRM tools and features. Now that you're in the CRM section, turn your attention to your contacts. You'll see the Contacts tab, and this is where all your recorded contacts are housed. Click on the Contacts tab to bring up the list of entries you have within your HubSpot account. With your list of contacts displayed, the next thing you'll need to do is select all. This action allows you to choose every entry simultaneously, so you don't have to go through the tedious process of selecting each contact one by one. Typically, there's a checkbox at the top of the list that, when checked, selects every contact on the page. Once you've selected all your contacts, the next step is to hit the delete button. This button is usually positioned somewhere above the list of contacts, and it will initiate the deletion process. Look carefully, as you don't want to miss it. After pressing delete, you'll receive a pop-up or prompt asking for confirmation. This is an important safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your intention by clicking the delete button in the confirmation prompt. Bear in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure that you're sure of your decision to completely clear all these records from your HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all contacts and accounts from your HubSpot CRM. It's always a good idea to double check if the data has been removed by revisiting your Contacts tab. Now, your CRM should be clean and ready for a fresh start. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this one.